Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is where you are at right now. Thank you for joining us and today's video. I'm going to show you how I did this by taking this rear panel and installing it here. Also in today's video, I removed my emergency hatch. And this is where I replaced it. Here is another patch. And one more. So, my emergency hatch cracked. This morning I went up to repair another leak on the roof, and this plastic was kind of brittle. Was hoping to save this emergency hatch for ventilation in the bathroom area, but looks like we will be replacing it. Then here's my riveting tool, which is just a manual, and you just squeeze it a couple times. And I'm not sure which ones I used, but these are the 3/16 half inch. I'm pretty sure I used the 1/4 inch. 3/16 1/4 inch on the roof. I'm not sure. But it didn't have to go through very far, and it actually was, I would say, overkill. But I used one of these, and Volcom 116 in white. And it's what you need for metal. This is the back sheet metal of the back panel, and I am taking and cutting out where this blue line is. I made a template here, half of it on a cardboard. I'm gonna have it go over the whole thing.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
spirits